Hey guys, welcome to BeamEasy. So in today's video, we will learn how to provide grooves like these in our threads such that it is visible in your 3D view also, and when you cut a section through your staircase, it is visible in the section view also. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is a blank Revit project. I am going to model a staircase now. I'll go to architecture, then go to stair. Then from the options, I will select monolithic stair. Let us consider the desired number of risers as 20, and I'll just simply draw a dog-legged staircase. 10 risers in flight number 1 and 10 risers in flight number 2. I will click on finish. So my staircase is ready. Now I am going to cut a section through my staircase like this, and I am gonna go to the section. So this is my staircase. I'll just delete the railings for time being. So now you can see my staircase is without threads. So what we will do, we will turn on the threads in this particular staircase. I will select this, go to edit type. Then we have run type over here. I will go to run type. You can duplicate it before doing any changes. As of now, I am not duplicating it. I will turn on the threads, and let us say the thread thickness is 40 mm. Similarly, we will turn on the risers, and for the risers also we will select the thickness as 40 mm. So once it is done, you can see your stairs and risers are created. One more setting you need to do, go to edit type, again go to run type, then change this option riser to thread connection. So usually our thread goes under the riser. So we will select this option extend thread under riser and click on OK. Click on OK again. So now you can see your thread is extending under the riser. Now the important part, we need to create the grooves on our threads. So what we will do, we will utilize the nosing functionality of Revit. Let me show you. I'll select the staircase once again, go to edit type, go to run type, and here you can see the nosing profile. As of now, the nosing profile is default. Let us try to change it. I'll select this profile pan 1, and I'll click on OK and click on OK. So you can see the nosing profile is created, but it is something weird, right? So we need to change it. What I will do, I will go to the project browser and I will type nosing over here. So it will show me the profiles of my nosing which are already loaded into my Revit project. I will right click on it, right click here and go to edit. So this is the profile family of your nosing. Okay. So the first step that you need to do is go to file and save this family as a different family name. Okay. So I will say profile nosing grooves. I will save it on my desktop as of now. Okay. So you can see the name over here. Now you can edit inside your family environment. What you will do, go to visibility graphics, VV is the shortcut, go to annotation categories and turn on this option. So what it will do, it will turn on the visibility of your dimensions, your reference lines and the reference planes. Click on OK. So now I know I need to draw the shape in this particular side of my reference planes. What we will do, we will delete this one. Now we will start creating our shape. Go to create, then select the line option. I will start from here, 20. Let us say the groove is of 5 mm. 5, again 10 here, then again 5, then 5, then 5, then let us say 10 again here, then as I know my tread depth is 40 mm, so I will select 40 over here. This is very important. Your tread depth and your nosing depth should match for this to work. Okay, so now my profile is created. Always remember that your profile should be a closed loop, and also there should not be overlapping of lines. Otherwise, your profile will be loaded in Revit, but it will not take effect, or it will not affect your staircase. Okay, now I will load it into my project. So the profile is now loaded. I will go to section, select the staircase, go to edit type, go to run type, go to nosing profile and search for my profile. Here it is, profile nosing grooves. I will select it and click on OK. So now you can see my staircase tread are provided with grooves, and the nosing and the tread, since they belong to the same material, it is joined seamlessly. I'll show it to you in 3D also. Let's go to 3D view. Yeah, so in the 3D also your tread is visible with the grooves. So this is very simple guys. You can try it yourselves also and let me know if you are facing any errors. One limitation to it is that when you go to the landing, you can see the grooves are not continuing till this side, or maybe practically they are not needed over there. So we can ignore this particular limitation. So guys, I hope you liked this video. For more such videos, you can follow my channel and subscribe to my channel. And also if you have any video request, you can mention them in the comments. I'll surely come up with a solution and provide a video for that. Thank you so much for watching.